guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my signature smoky eye. This is something that I've been doing for like over a decade. I think I created this look when I was like 15, when I was like kind of first getting into makeup and kind of like getting into eyeshadow and all that stuff. So this is something that I've kind of been doing for years. And so I'm just gonna share this look with you guys. I use 4 shadows typically to create this look. I use like a light brown, a dark brown, either a dark brown with like some warmth to it or like an orange, and then a black eyeshadow is how I create this smoky eye look. For today, I'm going to be using the Morphe 25A palette. This is just their Copper Spice palette, and it has tons and tons and tons and tons of neutrals and different shades of browns with different undertones and everything. So this is the perfect palette for a look like this. But you know, browns you can find anywhere, tans you can find anywhere, so you don't have to have the specific palette to create this look, and that's what's great about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. As you can tell, I've already done my base today because this is a look that doesn't require me kind of like having room for error. I can kind of just do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids, and that's just with my Morphe concealer. Back in the day, I didn't use to prime my eyelids, or if I did, I used, no, I didn't prime my eyelids. I would just like go straight in with color. But now we know better, now we prime. So I just buff that out, like so. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take my big fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M504, and I'm gonna go in with a like light tannish brown shade. So I'm gonna go in with this one right over here, and I'm just gonna dust that all over my lid and kind of like up to my brow. So just all over, just to lay down my base. And then next, I'm going to take this dark brown shade right here. This is a Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna swipe into that color and then just apply it to my lid. And kind of blend that as I go. Next, I'm gonna go back in with my 504 and go into this like reddish shade over here. And I'm going to blend that into my crease area. Next, I take a little bullet brush like so, and then go into some black, and I hold the corner of my eye and just pop that black right in that corner, and then also kind of bring it in to my crease. And then I kind of just like blend that out using a fluffy brush. Kind of blend upwards a little bit, but not too much. Alright guys, so that brown shade came out a little bit darker than I would typically like it. I usually like a more medium, like chocolatey brown, and that's how it looked in the pan, but it's not. It's very dark. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop a shimmer over here. And I usually just use my finger. I typically go in with like a gold or copper, so I'm gonna go with this shade. Actually no, I'm gonna do this shade right up here, which is like a nice like soft gold, and I'm just gonna take that on my finger and apply that right here. So yeah, that looks much better with that little bit of shimmer there, just to like brighten up the eyes a little bit. That brown was doing the most. I'm just kind of blending my shadow out because that's like the key to a good smoky eye is the blending. So I'm gonna go back in with my like orangey red shade that I used before and just kind of reapply that a little bit, add a little bit more warmth back into the eye. Okay, next I'm gonna do my under eye. I just go in with like my little bullet brush again, and I'm gonna go back into that dark brown shade and just apply that to my under eye. And then back then I used to use a kohl liner, but I don't really use kohl liners anymore, so I'm gonna go with my gel liner and a pencil brush and then just do some eyeliner. I don't typically do a wing or anything, I just do a nice like straight line. And I don't really worry about it being too precise. I just want that like darkness there, but it doesn't need to be, you know, perfect. Next, I go in with mascara. So I have small eyes, so I don't really like wearing eyeliner under my eyes. However, what I will do is when I do my mascara, I will kind of press it almost to my skin to kind of give the illusion of eyeliner without being like so like intense. Alright guys, so this is like my, you know, go-to smoky eye look. It's super simple, so if you're a beginner, this is like a super easy eyeshadow look to kind of like copy. It's really simple and easy to do. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comment below. Also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.